because today is 29th of February, which comes after 4 years. So it means this is a very special day. You might have thought behind that or not, I don't know. Those was organized of this Hriday and these all things. It's a very good part, very good day. Our honorable dais, especially I want to mention about this Terna Medical College and Hospital. The founder person is Dr. Padma Singh Patil sir. Then your CEO, Mr. P.T. Deshmukh. Our Dean, Mrs. Kanchan Mala Ghorpade. Here I want to say, the Dean of Mrs. Editor, she is also Kanchan. I think there is a difference of Mala and Kanchan only, I feel. Kanan, yeah, okay. So, very proud to say that when I came here in 5 minutes at a talk, her sister is also Dean of Government Medical College of Aurangabad. It's a big proud. And so, definitely we are not shocked, we are very known to each other. Now, our teacher in charge, Vijay Moite sir, very dynamic personality. Throughout this season, he is in communication with me, and really he is taking a very good effort. Then Dr. Gagne sir, who is the head of the Department of Anatomy, and Mr. Parag Sharma, I feel. Like he just came over. We are really honored to the Superintendent also. And you are all team of this Hriday 2016. And I am very happy and very proud that Gaurav is one of the members who is organizing this team. And really when you feel that your student, your relative, your nephew, whosoever is going ahead, we are proud of that. Basically, in this speech, in this inaugural program, what I want to say, or what I want to say the few words, is you all are the future dynamic doctors which are going to create something new and research-oriented work. Basically, you might be feeling at the time of your studies only, you are not getting the time, then where you will enter for the research. But still, it is very important as you are an upcoming doctor, rather than just repeating the same things. Once you finish this MBBS and you are going for the other super specialties, it's very, very important. First line I want to say, MBBS is a just basic introduction to your syllabus or to your medical field. You know, by government, you all people have made a bond for the working in a rural area. Why there is a need to make a bond to work in a rural area? It should be a voluntary work, because patients, we are made for treating the patients. And whether the patient is urban patient or patient is from the rural area, it doesn't make the difference. By rotation, again you can come back, you can do the studies in that period. Don't waste that time of your rotation, internship or whatsoever it is, and from there you can appear for your super specialty exams, super specialty entrance. You should try your best doing all these things, because see, each and every patient, when your own relative, your own brother, sister or whosoever is the member in your family, when they get suffered from any type of disease, at that time you came to know the importance of a disease. Then you search for, I want a very good doctor. In that moment, then what is meant by a very good doctor? Very good doctor by knowledge, by skill, by personality, by his activities, and by his nature. These all things are important. See, doctor is a very, very honorable thing, and you should feel yourself very proud, because doctor is born. Means just by reading the books, by completing your syllabus, and when you are presenting practically in the society. Same, madam was discussing now why the things happen, such calamities, some clashes or some misunderstanding, the difference between doctor and patient relationship, and sometimes different type of calamities or attacks on the doctors. Why this happens? Is there only doctor is responsible? No. Is there only public is responsible? No. So now there is some gap which is going on. Just I am giving an introduction. I am not going to make you bore and pampered. I will definitely change the subject later on also, which is of your interest. Basically, you should learn how to talk with the patient, relatives, and their surrounding atmosphere, which is called as a counseling. See, each and every doctor has to become a protector of himself. When there is a problem, when you enter as a consultant, when you are speaking with the patients, at that time, a patient's a good soft language to give a respect and whatsoever the realities. See, basic problem comes when you close the or hide the realities. If patient is serious, if there is a big problem, if the outcome is poor, see, when you are seeing the patient, don't think of any competition or surrounding peoples. Now I will say, rather than patient, there is a problem with doctor-doctor relationship. You tell me how many doctors who are practicing outside, having good friends, you might be having friend of some engineering or some any other artist or some actor or anywhere area. And if suppose you two people, see you 100 people are practicing in some different region, how many times you will go and meet each other? From traveling by your own way, you are from different state or different area of the Maharashtra or anywhere else. So first learn to maintain a relationship with each other. Means most important thing, you should forget the criticism. Criticism is such a bad character in every person. First, it burns yourself. See, there is a big difference between competition, ambition,